Dear viewers, Namaskar. In view of the rising number of COVID cases in Rourkela and the nearby areas, you are requested to adhere to the COVID appropriate behaviors like wearing masks properly, washing hands frequently, maintaining social distancing and avoiding crowded places. In the headlines today, SAIL focuses on enhancing liquid medical oxygen, that is LMO, production from its plants, and intensive sanitization continues in the industrial township of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant. Now the news in detail. Steel Authority of India Limited SAIL has been in the forefront in meeting the challenge of making liquid medical oxygen, that is LMO, available in the country. It has already supplied 36,747 metric tons MT of liquid medical oxygen since August 2020 as per the requirement. With increase in demand of LMO in the country, SAIL has enhanced its focus on increasing the production since beginning of this month. In the last 6 days, the company has supplied on an average 660 MT of LMO per day from its plants. On 21st April 2021 alone, the company has supplied 891 MT of LMO. Improvement interventions have already been made to augment the LMO supply with respect to process and equipment. SAIL has reduced the production of gaseous oxygen, nitrogen and argon besides optimizing process parameters in its plants to boost production of LMO. During this hour of the emergency need, SAIL firmly stands committed with the nation and will do everything to augment the production of liquid medical oxygen from its plants. All its plants have been advised to maximize production of LMO and optimize dispatch logistics so as to reduce turnaround time of oxygen tankers. Company has reaffirmed. With the help of Indian Railways and Ministry of Steel, SAIL has planned to load a rake from its Bokaro steel plant. This will help greatly in bulk evacuation of LMO and faster arrival of the same at the destination. With rapid ascent of the second wave of COVID-19, disinfection drive has intensified by SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP for preventing the spread of the pandemic. On 22nd April, the Public Health Unit of Town Engineering Department of RSP carried out the disinfection drive at Health Center Sector 6, Cheap Type Market area and different areas of Sector 4. The workers wearing rubber boots, heavy-duty gloves and triple-layered masks disinfected these areas. All these places are frequently visited by large number of people. Health Center Sector 6 houses both COVID testing and vaccination center, which calls for proper sanitization for safety of one and all. In addition to this, cleaning and mopping with prescribed disinfectants is taking place on a daily basis. Once again, a gentle reminder to our viewers to kindly wear masks, frequently wash your hands, maintain social distance and avoid crowded places as far as possible. Stay safe, stay healthy. That's all in today's news bulletin. Namaskar.